It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, January 13th. I'm Michael Groff. The weather out there today, not exactly Friday the 13th like, maybe a little ominous at times, mostly cloudy skies, a few showers around today, slightly better chances of rain tomorrow, and then maybe some much cooler and more unsettled weather coming in here by the end of next week. So plenty to discuss. Let's get out there and look at it this morning. Mostly cloudy skies here in the valley at 6:15 a.m., currently sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor. That's not very January-like at all. Dew points at 40, relative humidity 53%. The winds are light. The barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, these are very mild for mid-January. These are about 10 to 15 degrees above where we should be, mainly in the 50s. Plenty of clouds moving across the southwest states this morning in association with an upper low that'll be diving down the west coast. And on radar, we do see a few light showers. This was as of 6:10 this morning. And I would be surprised if all of this is reaching the ground, quite frankly. Very, very light sprinkles, though. Maybe you might run into that this morning while driving to work, so keep that in mind. All right, on the watch warning map, a big-time ice storm, the problem in the nation's midsection. Those are ice storm warnings in the dark magenta from the Oklahoma Panhandle north and east through Kansas, Missouri. Freezing rain advisories surrounding that from the Texas Panhandle north through Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. Out here in the west, still some winter weather conditions, some dense fog advisories on the Louisiana and Mississippi coasts, north and east through central Alabama. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today. A little bit of thunder possible on the Colorado River up toward Las Vegas and into southeast California, but even that I would say is not too likely, but we'll keep an eye on that. No strong storms, though, or anything like that to concern ourselves with. As far as our weather goes, let's get into all those details as we take a look at the models and see what's going on here. We start, as always, with the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Big 588 ridge over the southeast, an upper low here in the southwest. Those are the big features on the board this morning. That upper low this afternoon will be just to the southwest of San Diego. Southerly flow here. Some clouds will be coming in. A few showers around. Better chances of rain on the Southern California coast into the Southeast California deserts up toward Las Vegas. But I would say a small chance of rain here in the valley today with partly to mostly cloudy skies. I think this morning we'll have some clouds around. We'll see some sun here and there. Just a 20% chance of rain, though, for today. And highs will be climbing into the mid-60s. This is the high-res NAM at 10 o'clock this morning, and it depicts some very light precipitation. I know this looks kind of ominous. This looks impressive, but this is just extremely light precip, maybe just virga. That's rain that doesn't even reach the ground, or maybe a light sprinkle someplace. And then this is the NAM at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And again, very light showers if we see anything at all. The radar won't look exactly like this, but the idea of a few showers around today seems possible. And then by tomorrow, we start the day out again, mid-40s to low 50s, very mild. That upper low will start to scoot to the east along the southern Arizona border. And as it does, more moisture will circulate around into the state. So mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. A chance of showers, and I'd say the best chance of rain tomorrow will be during the afternoon and early evening hours. But at that, I'm not going to look at a huge rain event here. Probably less than 1/10 of an inch. Part of the reason for that is that while there is moisture coming in, it'll be fighting the downsloping effects of the easterly winds circulating around this upper low to the south. Those are downsloping winds, so the lower 5,000 to 6,000 feet of the atmosphere will be unusually dry given this kind of pattern. Nonetheless, a 30% chance of rain tomorrow. High temps mainly in the upper 50s and low 60s. This is the NAM tomorrow at 5 p.m., and it just sort of confirms what we're talking about here. A little bit of rain up along the rim. Maybe a few showers across south central Arizona. And again, it's not going to look exactly like this, but the idea of isolated showers still seems likely. All right, on Sunday, that low moves off to the east. Another short wave drops in from the north. And we have an isolated shower still possible here in the valley. Partly sunny skies, high temps upper 50s and low 60s. Don't count on any rain. If you have outdoor plans for this weekend, especially on Sunday, I certainly wouldn't cancel them, that's for sure. Monday, partly sunny skies. The idea of rain seems off the board now. Just high temps, upper 50s and low 60s. It'll be cool on Tuesday morning. I think we're down in the 40s, maybe even some upper 30s in spots. And then highs will rebound a bit, upper 50s and low 60s. Ridging tries to build in. Same for Wednesday. north to northwesterly flow here, and high temps low to mid 60s. On Thursday, another trough will start to accelerate here into the southwest states. Deep northwesterly flow will propel that in here, and there's a surface low near Las Vegas. Rain will start to increase over southeast California, western and northern Arizona, and we have a small chance of rain here in the valley too. High temps backing off into the mid and upper 50s. This is a week from today, Friday, January 20th. Most of that energy from that trough will stay to our north, but still a small chance of rain if this verifies. Much cooler temperatures. We'd only be in the low to mid 50s if this were right. And then this is Saturday, the 21st. Again, very cold to the north. Maybe some snow in northern Arizona. A few showers possible here if this is right. But I think this is a mainly dry look for southern Arizona right now. But understand, again, we are still well beyond 7 days here. This can change. It likely will. And the models have sort of flipped and flopped on the idea of precipitation. But high temps will certainly be cooler. Again, low to middle 50s. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, January 22nd. Dry northwesterly flow here. High pressure attempting to build in from the southwest. And that looks like high temperatures rebounding a bit back toward the low 60s. Temperatures off the European ensemble through the period. Again, we're going to be warmer today and tomorrow, at least near normal temperature-wise, then much cooler, especially as we head toward the end of the weekend and early next week, if this is right. And then maybe a big drop down in temps as we get out toward 10 days. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Friday and a safe weekend.